Now let's understand what this debug value does. Okay. Uh, oh, now I wanted to now I want to ask you a question. Have you ever used a have you ever used a custom hook? So basically, custom hook is just like let me use this. It's just like it have a convention like it start with use and whatsoever the name is, let's say username something, and you have created a function kind of a thing within it. This is the convention for it. Okay, so whenever we try to use this custom hook within a component, and we want to understand whether that component has this custom hook running within it. So if the component has this custom hook running, if that component has that custom hook running within it, it would be displayed using useDebug. Uh, just we need to do is what we need to do is you need to provide this useDebug into it. This useDebug, it would be provided with the value. It would be provided with the value that you have to use debug value is online comma semicolon quotation online comma quotation offline. Okay, quotation close semicolon close. This is the set of value that need to be displayed onto the screen. Okay, online and offline, this is the set of value that is being supposed to be displayed on the screen. Okay, now just get to the example. Let's not deep dive. Let's just get to the example. So you can use, so this is the example that is here within this app. This status bar is being called, the status bar is here, and the status bar is having an is online as a variable that uses a hook that is called use online status. It returns true or false as a value, and on the basis of it the screen would show you this or either this or that. And I can still show it to you. Why is it used const? Or okay, let me let me put a null over here. See, it's showing like this. When we put a null over here, it shows disconnected. When you just erase this exclamation mark in front of it, it just shows a tick and online as the thing. Okay, now again exclamation mark. So it disconnected and it is connected again. Now what happens is uh, let's erase this, let's fork it, and here we are opening a new a new display over here. Well, let me inspect it, and within this inspect you have a component. When you click on the status bar, because the status bar is using it is using the hook which is use online status, so it shows you the value of use of online status over here, because it is this status bar is using this use online status hook. So it would show you online status, it would show online status. Oh, sorry. this use online status is over here. It would display use online status colon value because is online. So it depends. So use debug value depends on the value of is online that is being returned over here, and in this case it is true, so it shows online. So this online status would have a value of online, and if it is like if it is the value that is being returned is false, then it would show offline. So that's why within a terminal you are able to see this online status having a value of online. If in case I wanted to put an exclamation in front of it, it would show you offline. Clicking on it, clicking on it. What is the value? This is the offline value over here. Okay. I think you might have got the idea of this book. Let's just proceed to the